Data Science, a practical guide for beginners. So in the last session about the introduction of NumPy. In the last session, we have seen about what are the general techniques for handling the large volumes of data. So in this session, we will be seeing about the general tips for handling the large amounts of data. So whenever I say it as handling large data, the general tip would be don't reinvent the wheel. Get the most of your existing hardware present and reduce the computing needs as much as possible. So when I say it as don't reinvent the wheel, it is nothing but use exhaustively and effectively the tools and the libraries which are developed by others. The next topic is get the most out of your hardware. So whatever is the hardware present, affected wisely. So just I'll take an example like a robotic arm controller in which if I want to read the data from a temperature sensor, so it is not required that every second I have to read the data. Instead, you just trigger it only when the temperature exceeds a threshold the data to be read with. Okay, so in the robotic arm, suppose the motor control, the sensor feedback, and the path planning, all the other execution steps also can run in parallel instead of waiting for each other, so that there will be no component that will be ideal waiting. So instead of sending the full sensor data, then only the processing starting, so should not be the effective case for controlling the robotic arm. The third concept, it is nothing but reducing the computing needs. So which is one of the essential steps that is required. So here, we have to slim down the memory of the computer and its processing needs as much as possible so that large volume of data can be handled effectively. Thank you. In the next session, we will be learning about what is data wrangling and what are the 6 steps in data wrangling. Thank you.